Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is a continuation of the wooden dummy series. If you haven't already subscribed guys, please do so, that'd be fantastic. Please like and share the video if you find it useful. Any support I get on here is fantastic. So on to the video. So section 5 of the wooden dummy form. Okay, we're going to start here. So first technique is build G to the eye, 1. Okay, careful not to lock your elbow. Then from here, you're going to come back 2. Okay, think of it as a deflection. Then the third technique's a bill cell. So it's the same motion as the first with the strike, but it's going to be a block here, okay? Imagine you've got an incoming attack, just managing to get your arm up to block it. So 1, 2, 3, here, okay? Then from here, I'm going to shift on 45, Hun cell, circle in the hand, and at the same time I'm going to hit low with the palm. Okay, so from this position, here. Okay. Okay, then from here, I'm going to go Quan cell. Okay, Quan cell is the combination of Tan and Bong. Okay. So from here, I'm going to Quan cell, here. Then we're going to straighten up, right hand on top, palm strike, double palm, okay? Okay, from here, left bong cell again, shift, step out and in, left hand on top, double palm, okay? Then you're going to step out where you were before that movement, here, arm cell, okay? Then you're going to straighten up, right hand on top this time, double palm, okay? Then right bong cell. Then you're going to do the same again, step out on that side. Left hand on top this time, coming in, double palm. Okay. Then you're going to step back out again to where you were, into Gang. Okay. And then it'll be the same as the other ones. Then to the eye, low palm. Okay. Double jump. And finish. Okay. So, go slowly for you guys. Okay, bill 1, 2, deflect, 3, block, and shift, low palm. Okay, then for me, Quan cell, step out, back in, left hand on top, double palm. Okay, step back out, here, straighten up, right hand on top, palm, right bong, step out, in, left hand on top, double palm, step back out, okay, Gang cell, pin, okay, jut, double jut. Careful with this section guys, goes with anything you do, but it's more noticeable in this section. Obviously it's more helpful you've got a dummy because you've got a reference point, but think when you're going through it, when you're going these palm strikes, okay, so from here, got the Quan cell, and then you've got the double palm. Okay, there's no need, first of all, to draw back, overly draw back and strike. Okay, you can go here, from this position, strike. Okay, sufficient power. Okay, that's number 1. When you're doing these things and you're stepping out and back in, okay, really, you go from bong cell, step out. Your hand can stay there, and again, okay, you've got to keep your elbows in, because the idea is if someone punches, you're stepping out and then back in. The more open your elbows are, the more you're leaving open to attack. Okay, and also it's just wasted motion, wasted energy, wasted time. Okay, so from here, just keep it in tight where they are, and you can also use the step as part of the power. And so from here, step out, and you could leave your hands here, okay, and use your whole body energy, okay, as part of the power. So keep it tight. Okay, from here, they can literally turn, and that's it. Double strike. Okay, from here, turn, and strike here. When you're coming back, that's it, that's all they need to do. Try not to swing out. Okay, it's a simple, from here, that's the footwork done, and that's the arms, that's all you do. So just remember guys, try and keep it tight, okay? We'll go once more from the top, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, Quan, palm, bong, palm. Here, okay, bong, palm here, palm, and finish this way. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. I'll see you again for the next section of the dummy form. Till then, train hard and stay safe.